Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best medical folding walkers for seniors with wheels that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Medical King Silver Aluminum Rolling Walker for seniors and adults. This walker is designed with simplicity and functionality in mind, making it a suitable choice for those who prefer a more classic style. With a weight capacity of up to 350 pounds, it caters to a wide range of users and provides reliable support during daily use. The build quality of this walker is solid, thanks to its aluminum construction, which strikes a balance between being lightweight and durable. However, compared to other walkers in this lineup, the design feels a bit outdated and lacks some of the modern ergonomic features we'll see in higher-ranked models. While it's foldable, the folding mechanism isn't as seamless or compact as others, which could be a consideration for users who prioritize portability. In terms of value, this walker is a decent choice for those on a budget or who need a no-frills option. However, if you're looking for added features like adjustable handles, a padded seat, or larger wheels for outdoor use, you may find this model somewhat limited. Overall, it's a reliable, straightforward solution, but there are better performing options in the market. Coming in at number 4 is the Medical King Aluminum Lightweight Walker with Wheels. This walker is a step up from the classic design, offering adjustable width and height settings, which make it more customizable to individual needs. The two-wheeled design provides additional stability while still offering some maneuverability. The aluminum construction keeps the walker lightweight, which is beneficial for those who may have limited strength or endurance. However, at 3.97 kilograms, it's slightly heavier than some comparable models, which could be a drawback for certain users. The folding mechanism is user-friendly, and the compact design makes it easy to store or transport. While the design is functional, it lacks the premium feel and advanced features of higher-end models. This walker is ideal for seniors or individuals recovering from surgery who need basic support for indoor use. However, it's not as versatile on uneven terrain or outdoors. The lack of additional features, like a seat or storage pouch, means it's best suited for those looking for a straightforward walking aid. Overall, it's a dependable option, but there are more feature-rich choices out there for slightly higher investments. At number 3, we have the Drive Medical 1257 BL1 four-wheel Rollator walker with seat. This model stands out with its 4 7.5-inch caster wheels, which make it a fantastic choice for both indoor and outdoor use. The durable steel frame supports up to 300 pounds, and the height-adjustable handles ensure a comfortable fit for users of varying heights. One of the standout features here is the padded seat and removable backrest, which provide added comfort for users who need to take frequent breaks. The under-seat storage pouch is another thoughtful addition, allowing users to carry essentials conveniently. The handbrakes are easy to operate and offer added safety, especially when navigating slopes or uneven surfaces. However, at 18.6 pounds, this walker is heavier than some competing models, which could make it less ideal for users who need to frequently lift or transport it. The value proposition of this walker lies in its combination of comfort, convenience, and durability. While it's not the lightest option available, its feature set makes it a great choice for users who prioritize stability and comfort over portability. It's a reliable, mid-tier option that balances functionality and affordability well. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Homeland Foldable Rollator Walker with seat. This premium option is packed with features that cater to both comfort and versatility. With an impressive weight capacity of 350 pounds and adjustable seat and handle heights, this walker is designed to accommodate users of all sizes. The reinforced frame and double support bars ensure long-term durability, while the 8-inch puncture-proof wheels allow for smooth movement on virtually any terrain. Comfort is a key focus here, with an extra-wide memory foam seat and a breathable backrest that makes long outings more enjoyable. The ergonomic hand grips and reliable braking system offer enhanced safety and ease of use, even for individuals with limited hand strength. At 20.4 pounds, it's not the lightest walker, but its quick fold design adds a layer of convenience for storage and transportation. Priced at $89.99, this walker is the most expensive in our lineup, but the premium features justify the cost. It's an excellent choice for those who want a high-quality, feature-rich walker that prioritizes comfort, stability, and versatility. Whether navigating tight indoor spaces or taking a stroll outdoors, this walker delivers on all fronts. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Drive Medical 10210 2-button folding walker with wheels. This budget-friendly option combines affordability with functionality, making it the best overall choice for most users. At just $27.69, it offers exceptional value for its price, with a lightweight aluminum frame that supports up to 350 pounds. The walker's 5-inch wheels and rear glide caps allow for smooth movement across various surfaces, while the push-button folding mechanism ensures easy portability and storage. Its adjustable height settings make it suitable for a wide range of users, and the contoured vinyl hand grips provide added comfort during use. Despite its low price, the build quality is impressive, with a sturdy construction that doesn't compromise on safety or stability. This walker is ideal for seniors or adults who need a reliable and lightweight option for everyday use. While it lacks advanced features like a seat or storage pouch, its simplicity and ease of use make it a standout choice for those seeking a basic yet dependable mobility aid. It's proof that you don't need to break the bank to get a high-quality walker. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.